Good morning. I lit it before I started. As we clear the night, because it's early morning here, and play some head heart bowls. The cards today are interesting. This is a new deck, Heavenly Bodies Astrology, and House 6 talks about all of our foundational daily practices. That's self-care. So this is an invitation to really be in your self-care. And add Tiger's Eye, representing power and empowerment, and with the combination of these two, set your intention for the day and have fun creating. And all of these little guys are called monopories. They're very shallow. They're also getting very rare. Have a beautiful day or night.